Welcome. This is Elliott Wave. Sorry, I'm saying it wrong. This is Bitcoin day trading. The best Elliott Wave analysis, episode number 14. Today we are going to take a look at the charts as always. Since I work 7 days out of 7, I never take a day off. I'm doing an update even on Sunday. I have good news. First, my channel just broke the 100 views per video. So yesterday, my last video, episode number 13, broke the 100 views. And that's quite an achievement for me, because for a long time, I only had 1, 2, 3, or 4 views every time I posted a video. I was talking about trading psychology, and nobody seemed to be interested. But since I'm now talking about price and doing the Bitcoin day trading episodes, my viewer count starts skyrocketing. So since we had 100 views, the next step will be 200 views. So let's see when we break the 200 views per episode, and that over 24-hour time period. Since I make an update every day, it's approximately every 24 hours that I make an update. If you want to make sure that I keep doing what I'm doing, then like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. But liking it would help, because if you like it, and the algorithm of YouTube will show the video, will show this episode to more people, and then I get more views, and that would help. For me, I'm doing it because I find it interesting, but the feedback is important. By that I mean, if nobody is interested, then I might quit. But if people show me that they are interested in what I'm doing, then I'll keep on doing it. So if you want me to do more updates in the future, then it would be, I recommend you liking this video. It would help. As long as you keep watching, I'll keep posting. But if nobody's interested, then I can stop. And you could comment too. Give me some comments, but not just the scammers who are always promoting their latest scam and promise you exorbitant amounts of money if you just listen to them or pay them the fees. Not that kind of comments. Real comments from real people would be nice. Okay, that being said, let's jump into the charts. As always, we start with my website, just so you get the disclaimer and the risk warning. Please read it so that you're aware that trading is risky, that risks are involved in trading. And if you need some help, I'll offer one-on-one coaching, and I have a 60% discount right now. So if you are interested, look it up and don't hesitate to contact me for a coaching session. And that being said, let's take a look at the chart. I think we'll start with the 3-hour chart, because it gives the big picture. Okay, the 3-hour chart, it's the same thing as I told you yesterday. And by that I mean, we had the correction, the A B, and down there is the C correction. Let me zoom out so you can see. So, here you have the ABC correction, A, B, C. Then you had the first leg up of an impulse wave, wave 2 ended here. And now we're in the process of accomplishing wave 3. Our target is up here at 49,896.03. And I think we're gonna hit it. We didn't hit it until now, but I think we'll hit it. It is still our target, and I think it will get hit. I'm quite confident in the ABC correction, but what regards my labeling, I'm not sure about the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I let you think about it quickly and tell me what I don't like about that labeling. Can you figure it out? Can you see it? Can you see why that labeling is not perfect in my opinion? Well, if you know something about, I'm telling you the answer now. I did let you think about it. Normally, you must see it straight away. If you're versed in Elliott wave, then you see it straight away. But what I don't like in it is that it looks like a 3 wave, 1, 2, 3, and for the third wave, and extension. And the third wave of the third wave, if it subdivides, you should clearly see 5 waves. You should see 1, 2, maybe that's 3, 4, 5. In that case, it would pass. But I don't see clearly, if I look at that, I don't see clearly a 5 wave. And that's what I don't like about that labeling. So maybe I change the labeling. I come up with an alternate labeling. It will still be impulsive, but maybe I come up with an alternate labeling for that impulse wave. But if we look at the smaller time frame, at the 3-minute time frame, then I like the labeling more, and I'll show you why. I like it more because that's the impulsive wave we just looked at, and I like it more because I've labeled it differently. Because I can, there's more space to do it. There's more details, so I can label it more precisely. And by doing that, I did make a 1, 2. Okay, and then I said we get again a 1, 2, and one more 1, 2, and one more 1, 2. Okay, and now we after getting all those 1, 2, we will get 3 4s. So we get 3 and then 4. For every 1 we get here, we get a 3 4. This 3 4 is this one. Yeah, you see they are the same. Here you have 1 2, and that's the 3 4. Okay, so for every 1 2 you get 3 4. Yeah, it's just if you want, it's extending. So instead of doing 1 2, it makes 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2. Okay, so you have 1 2, then you get 1 2 3 4 5, and that's in the 3. You get a 4 and a 5. Okay. So that's why you get more waves, because the third wave here is subdividing. You see it subdividing in 1 2 3 4 5, and that's the same thing I did here, but I have more than 1 wave subdividing. I have in a row, I have 1 2 3 4 waves subdividing, and I need, after having all those 1, I need to get all those 3s up there. And here we have the third wave of the third wave of the third wave, and it subdivides in 1 2 3 4 5, and then that wave is accomplished 2, 3. See? And now, after doing that, we get a correction, and the correction could be an A, B, C, and now it could be over. We could be starting the next leg up. Or it could extend, and we could get an X wave and then again an ABC down. But the probability that it is over and we get higher from here is quite high. So I'm expecting higher prices right now while I'm looking at it. Okay, that's for the 3-minute chart. And let's go back to the 3-hour chart. No, it's the 5-minute chart, sorry. Let's go back to the 3-hour chart. Here, our stop loss was for a long time 39,573.21. But right now, I think you can put it up to 42,595.93. That's because there are rules in Elliott, and there are 3 rules you need to know. And the first rule is that wave 2 does not go below wave 1. That's the case here. The second rule is that the third wave, which we see here, cannot be the shortest between wave 1, 3, and 5. It cannot be the shortest. And that's the case here too. And the last rule is that wave 4, this wave, okay, does not retrace into wave 1 territory. So it cannot go below that level. Okay, and that's what I see here. And since that's the case, you can put your stop loss at 42,593.95, 93. That's where you can put your stop loss. And one more thing, if that's correct, we have alternation. Okay, but I told you this labeling might change from data impulse wave. My labeling might change, but we are good. But if it's correct, what I put on the chart, which I doubt, but if it's correct, we have alternation. Here we had a sharp correction, and here we get a sideways correction. Okay, so that's a sideways correction, which means that I don't expect prices to go lower than that level actually, because it's a sideways correction. If this is wave 2 and it's sharp, then this is sideways. Since there's alternation. Alternation is a guideline. It's not a rule, but it's a guideline. So sometimes it happens, sometimes it does not happen. But often it does. And if it's correct, then I see alternation, and we should not go below that level. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow for one more update. As always, please like, subscribe, comment if you want to, but not the scammy comments, real people commenting my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, because as I always tell you, it's time-sensitive information. I have people watching my episode 3 or episode 2. I mean, I made those episodes 1 week or 10 days ago. There's not much value in watching them late. You should get my videos as soon as they are out. And in order to do that, you need to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.